Hey guys, welcome back to West Coast Gardener. Today I'm going to show you how I build a trellis. I did Patrick from One Yard Revolution's method, and I really like it because it's really heavy duty. It will last for years to come, and I have spent quite a lot of money over the years on cheap trellises that just aren't cutting it. So watch how I do it. Check out Patrick's awesome video linked below, and also be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. I've had some crazy trellises. Let me know what kind you've used below, and also what veggies you would grow, like cucamelons or beans. I bought 3 10 feet 1/2 inch EMT conduit pieces. So the first thing I'm going to do is to mark 8 feet so I can make a cut. And I use this awesome pipe cutter. You just open it up, put it on the spot that you've marked, push it down to get it tight, and then you turn the knob to get it really tight, and then you just begin to turn and turn and turn, and then tighten the knob as needed. I actually put gloves on at one point just because it helped with grip and turning, and then it comes off and it's done. I have 2 90-degree pull elbows, which I will attach to the EMT conduit, and that of course just adds structure to the frame and connects the 2 pieces and screw them into place. And Patrick recommends using concrete remesh, which is really strong, and I love it. So I just place it over top and then I can secure it. And securing the mesh to the frame is easy with some zip ties. I put a zip tie in every corner and around the bottom, and then every other square. And when I was done, I just cut them off. And to figure out exactly where to place the stakes or rebar for the trellis, I just press it into the ground and lift it up. And I use 3.5 feet long pieces of rebar. They're 1/2 inch. Using the flat end of my axe, I will pound the rebar into the ground about halfway. That way there's plenty in the ground to keep it nice and secure, but a lot sticking up as well to go into the conduit in case there's a huge pea crop or a big gust of wind. Guiding the trellis into place, I will push it down, check to the right, and you'll see my cat trying to jump up a tree there. This is a little tricky when you're only 5 feet tall, but I got it into place and I press it in firmly. A couple weeks ago I planted my peas here, Sugar and Purple Mist and Green Arrow from West Coast Seeds. And now I'm going to just make sure that these peas can grab onto this trellis, so I'll just gently wrap them around. Take care and have a great time gardening, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. And remember to check out One Yard Revolution's channel.